Hi, thanks for joining me. The day started off dry and then the rain came. South bank of Willows at the Oaks. The wind coming from the east, so I'm in the southwest corner, fishing zig tigerbread at the surface. As you may know, this is my favourite method. I have one rod stalking in the margin at the moment and one rod on the zig tigerbread while conditions allow. My competition for the day turned up. I stand no chance against a heron. Various casts out into the lake. Various methods of casting. A short lob, a diagonal cast, an overhead cast. All were employed today. Lots of bites. Love the surface action, and the carp were in the mood to play today. Tips up, bite alarms on. That big slap you hear tells them dinner's ready. And one turned up. A lovely common. Tom was kind enough to walk past and take a photo and then man the video camera for the return. Lovely common taken off the top. My favourite method. Let's have it back. And to quote two famous men and fishing shows on TV at present.
And away.
And away. Still no brolly needed at present. Here's the lovely picture Tom took. Super condition carp, as they all are on this lake. The rain started, so it was time to put the brolly up. Cover up the camera for now. True to form, the rain, when it came, brought the carp on. So I was quite happy sitting under the brolly, getting bites all the time. Various spots around the southwest corner. The Action Cam Insta 361R is waterproof, but it is covered up occasionally. There's no point in getting it soaked for no reason. You see it mounted beside me. A quick press and off it goes. Let's get another piece of tigerbread baguette out in the lake. Get some more of those bites that might well turn into better action. My trusty Delkin bite alarm. Nobody else on the lake, nobody to bother with the sound. The heavy rain set in. The secondary brolly to cover my knees and the cameras. Here we go. Fish on. And they love the rain. It felt quite heavy, this one. The other one was a decent scrap, but this just feels heavy. Let's get that secondary brolly out of the way. We can see what's happening, and so my camera can get some 360 footage. That's a spare rod you see on the rod rest beside me with the pair lead bouncing about. That's a spare rod. You see me playing the fish, trying to gauge what it is, what size it might be, and what my tactics should be. Target is to always get it in. Still feeling the power of this chunk. Haven't seen it yet. It's coming closer now. It's at this point I decide which net to use. I always carry a large net and a slightly smaller net. There it is. One chunk landed. Self-timer on the app for that selfie, the trophy shot.
3, 2, 1.
Missed that one. We'll catch the next counter.
3, 2, 1.
There we go. Now there's only a pound difference between this and the previous fish. This was very chunky, whereas the other one was longer. Time for a much needed pupper. I wonder how the heron's getting on. I wonder what the score is. No doubt it's beat me on fish caught. Getting a bit cold and wet now. Time to pack in soon. There's the heron. I bet he's had a successful day. Thanks for watching.